Gas hobs are not only function in the kitchen, but can also be beautiful and a standout feature too. Smeg's extensive range of quality gas hobs means that there is something to suit every kitchen and every family's needs. Almost all Smeg range cookers have the option of a gas top, a real statement piece in the heart of the home. From the ultra-modern and contemporary with sleek lines and bold design, to traditional and classic with timeless features and sturdy materials. Gas hobs are available to be built into the worktop too. They are also available in a wide variety of aesthetics, from modern and sleek gas on glass to timeless and functional stainless steel. They are even available in the traditional curvy retro design. These hobs come in a variety of sizes and widths to suit your kitchen, from a 30cm domino to a standard 60cm all the way up to 90cm. The range also offers a choice of ultra-low profile, allowing the hob to sink and blend into the work surface. In addition, there are a variety of burner layouts available, a classic linear design with the burner running front to back, to a diamond layout ensuring that extra space is made for longer pan handles. Some gas hobs feature powerful wok burners for cooking stir-fry and noodle dishes, requiring a greater intensity of heat. Selected models have a dual wok burner to provide true flexibility. It's possible to operate just the inner burner for gentle heating, just the outer, or both together for that intense wok cookery. For ultimate flexibility, hybrid hobs with both gas and induction are also available. These can be found in the built-in hob range, but on the Smeg range cookers too. Made with sturdy pan supports, removable metal dials and the highest quality materials, Smeg gas hobs are built to create fantastic food and look striking in the kitchen. For more information about the range of gas hobs, visit the Smeg website using the link in the description.